Hello guys, another beach video. We're coming to you from Paliuri Beach, Halkidiki, Kassandra. This is one of the most beautiful beaches here on Halkidiki, and in Kassandra maybe the most beautiful beach together with Sunny Beach. You're going to see fancy, posh beach bars and uncommercialized parts of the beach, because this is how most of the beaches in Greece are. So wherever you wish to go, you will find something to eat, and maybe if you carry your own food, you can, and your own umbrellas and sunbeds or chairs, you can find a place to sit and enjoy this beautiful Caribbean-like tropic paradise. Yeah, if you like my videos, subscribe and like and share. This is the parking at Cabana Beach Bar, and as you can see, there are plenty of parking slots here. It's like this all over the beach, and every beach bar has its own parking place. The parking is free, not only here but all over Greece, on every beach. As you can see, there is a shop that is located near the entrance of the beach, so don't worry if you forgot to bring your swimsuit with you. You're going to be able to find one here. This bar is the fanciest of all 4 bars that you can find here on this beach. By the way, you can find this beach near Pefkohori village. The bar is ideal for young people because there is always a good and loud music playing, and the parties last until late in the night. The water quality everywhere on the beach is at the highest, and the sand is the softest, very pleasant for your feet. The club sandwich was good, and they're very proud of their sushi. Find the link of their website in the description below. You will find very unique offers for this hot summer days. As I said at the beginning of the video, there are wild, uncommercialized parts of the beach, and they are scattered in between the beach bars. This is one of the wild parts of the beach, and since it's not high season, July or August, it's not as crowded as it can be. This is Leuki Beach Bar. Excuse my pronunciation if it's not right. Also a very nice place to spend your time at the beach. The minimum spend per person here is 20 euros, and a club sandwich will set you back 15 euros. As you can see, there are families with kids as well as young people here. This is Paliuri Camping at the far left side of the beach. It's very popular, of course, because of the beautiful beach. As we go back past the Cabana Beach Bar, And towards the right side there is another longer strip of wild beach, and you can see the beautiful green vegetation that separates the beach from the rest of the world. It's the reason why I like this beach, and this is the most unique thing about it. This is the third bar here on this beach, and unlike the first two, you'll have to pay 10 to 15 euros per sunbed on top of the 15 euros of minimum spend per person. The prices of the food and the drinks are similar to the prices on the other beaches. This is the fourth and the last bar here. Many people call it Paliuri Beach, but as you saw at the beginning of the video, it has many other names. The bar is very popular, and as you can see, it's crowded even though it's pre-season. It's as popular as Cabana Beach Bar, which we prefer. They're very proud of their cocktails and have sushi on their menu. And the prices are very similar to all the other bars on the beach. Stop. As we approach the end of the beach, you will see that there is a place where you can buy ice cream and drinks at a mini market prices. Also, you can find cruises here to the surrounding places and spots that are only reachable by boat, like for example the Turtle Islands. See you at the next destination, and remember, it's the journey that counts.